続いて第2部です。これは英文を聞き、その質問に対して最も適切な答えを選ぶ形式です。英文と質問は一度だけ読まれます。問題はナンバー16からナンバー30まで15題で、回答時間はそれぞれ10秒です。では、始めます。
Number 16. Vivian is thinking of selling her old car. It still works well and does not use a lot of gasoline, but it only has 2 doors. Vivian wants a bigger car with 4 doors so that her 3 children can get in and out more easily. Question. Why is Vivian thinking of selling her old car? Number 17.
For many years, women have been wearing special clothes called corsets to make their bodies look thinner. Many people think that corsets were only worn by women. However, in the 18th century in England, men also wore corsets to look thin. In addition, today, corsets are used to help men and women who have pain in their backs.
Question. What is one thing we learn about corsets? Number 18. Kana is a part-time waitress, and she usually works until late at night. This weekend, however, the cafe where she works will be closed because the kitchen is being cleaned. She thinks it is a good chance to get some rest, so she plans to stay home, read comic books, and eat snacks all day. Question. What does Kana plan to do this weekend? Number 19.
Yumi bought a new video game yesterday after her friend had recommended it to her several times. At first, it was difficult, and the story was hard to understand. However, after a while, Yumi started to enjoy it because there were flying horses in it. She loves animals, and in the game, she had to catch horses and care for them.
Question. Why did Yumi start to like her new video game? Number 20. Michael usually rides his bicycle to work. This morning, he came across a car accident on the way. Luckily, no one had been hurt, but Michael ran over some broken glass from one of the cars. All the air went out of his tire, so he took his bicycle to a parking space near a station. After that, Michael had to run to his office with his backpack to be in time for work. Question. Why did Michael have to run to his office this morning? Number 21.
Many people decorate their homes with carpets. Some Persian carpets are very expensive and are given as gifts from parents to children. As a result, these carpets stay in one family for many years. In Siberia, a carpet has been found that is more than 2,500 years old. It is special because it was put into the ground with a prince after he died. Experts still do not know where it was made.
Question. Why was the carpet found in Siberia special?
Number 22.
On Sunday morning, Robert went to his grandmother's house. She wanted to put some things, such as her old computer, dishes, and cooking tools, into boxes and move them from her kitchen to a closet. However, the boxes were too heavy for her to lift, so she wanted Robert to carry them for her.
Question. Why did Robert go to his grandmother's house? Number 23.
Takeshi is a computer programmer. He spends all day sitting down, so sometimes his back hurts. The other day, he and his boss took a train to go to a meeting with a client. When he arrived at the client's office, he was surprised to see people working at high desks and standing instead of sitting. Takeshi was interested in the desks because he thought they would be good for his back.
Question. How did Takeshi become interested in high desks? Number 24.
In recent years, the terms cookies and biscuits have sometimes been used to mean the same baked snacks. However, they were originally very different. Bakers used to make cookies to test the temperatures of ovens before baking cakes. And biscuits were originally eaten as food by sailors on very long trips.
Question. In what way were the first cookies and biscuits different? Number 25.
Welcome to Bobby's Electronics Store. We sell everything from cameras and computers to washing machines. Need a new vacuum cleaner? Then try out the new Supermax. Staff by the stairs on the second floor are demonstrating this incredible new device now. Also, be sure to pick up our free magazine with new special deals at the exit when you are ready to leave.
Question. Where can customers see the new vacuum cleaner? Number 26.
Long ago, some Roman women believed that taking a bath in the milk of donkeys was good for their skin. However, not all women could take care of their skin in this way. Donkey milk was very expensive, so only the richest women could wash in it. Some very rich women kept many donkeys to get milk every day.
Question. How did some Roman women take care of their skin? Number 27.
Olivia is planning a birthday party for her grandfather. She searched online for restaurants with no stairs because her grandfather will be 90 years old and cannot walk well. She found one in her area, and her mother suggested that Olivia go to see it before the party. That way, she could make sure that the restaurant would be nice for her grandfather.
Question. What did Olivia's mother suggest she do? Number 28.
We hope you are enjoying the facilities here at Fitness Life Center, including our new exercise machines. To help you build muscle, we are giving away protein bars for the next hour. Please come to the entrance and help yourself. Each member can take 2. We hope you enjoy your day.
Question. Why is this announcement being made? Number 29.
When Mr. Jensen came home last night, his daughter's pet cat was in the kitchen. It looked hungry, so Mr. Jensen asked his daughter if she had fed it. She said that she had spent all afternoon at the shopping mall with her friends and had forgotten about her cat. Mr. Jensen was very upset with his daughter.
Question. Why was Mr. Jensen upset with his daughter? Number 30.
Thank you for shopping at Fresh Best Supermarket. We would like to remind drivers to be careful when driving in the parking lot. Last week, a woman and her dog were injured by a car while crossing the parking lot. Please keep your speed below 5 kilometers per hour to make sure our customers stay safe.
Question. Who is this announcement mainly made for?
.では時間です。筆記用具を置いて答えの記入をやめてください。これにて試験終了となります。公正なる試験実施にご協力いただき